Guys, it's Dark Wolf, and I just realized that most of my videos didn't have sounds, like 5 or 6 of them, and I apologize for that. I didn't even know about it, so I'm gonna like try to fix that. I don't know if I'm gonna make up for every video, but I'll try to make up for it. You should really probably see this before you see any of those other videos, because then you're gonna be wondering, hey, why does this guy have no sound? That's dumb. But yeah, I was gonna let you guys know about that, and I'll make up for it. But probably might do a challenge with my brother if he's willing to accept. And well, I just want to get that out of the way, and I'll see you next time. Bye.